Hello everybody, this is Robert on the voiceover, doing a little different style video today. This is my trip to the dollar store. I really just want to talk about how cheap and easy it is to shop organic and vegan. If you're raw vegan, I mean look at this, living butter lettuce, organic romaine hearts. I know it says $1.99, this is silly. I don't know when the dollar store started carrying things for more than $1, but they do. We got rainbow carrots here for organic. I mean, these were $1. I mean, come on. Doesn't get any better than that. I even found coconuts. Organic coconuts, people. I mean, I got a couple of these. I even found all kinds of plant milks. I mean, they had almond milk, cashew, oat milk. It's just really cool to see, like, you know, options here. I mean, look at these dinner options. Vegetable pot stickers. I mean, straight from Thailand or Japan. You know, this is the legit stuff, too, that you wouldn't see at Whole Foods or anything like that. Trying to check the ingredients. Make sure you always check the ingredients, guys, like no matter what. I know it says, you know, vegetable. I mean, these are pretty much vegan, even though it says, it doesn't say vegan on the packaging at all. And here they are, 100% vegan. So it's really easy. You know, you got to check your local dollar store, guys. Check your 99-cent store. You know, there's a couple different names. Look at this. Chow cheese. I mean, come on. This is $8, $9. Okay. I mean, it's cheap. I mean, you can spend $20 a week for the whole food for your whole family. I mean, veggie burgers. I mean, you name it. Okay, even if you're not raw vegan, like 100% raw vegan or whatever, this is not about labels. This is just about being healthy. I mean, it's not as, you know, zero waste friendly as I'd like, but, you know, we're just doing the best that we can, and it's all about going vegan. It's 2019, people. Get out there, get vegan ingredients, save some money. It's not that hard, okay? You guys are going to do this. You're going to love it. Support the channel. Much love. Make sure you hit that subscribe button below, and I'll check you guys later.